Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to do curved text PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint slide. From the Insert menu, click on Word Art and choose one of the available designs. Now enter the desired text in the text box. When doing so, from the Shape Format menu, click on Text Effects and you will see some design options. Display Transform, and in the Follow Path section, choose one of the available models. The change is automatic in the text. In the box, use the direction icon and the corners to change the dimension of the box. You can add text if necessary. Select the text box again, and from the Text Effects option, add one of the available effects to the text. Another alternative is to click on the text box from the Insert menu. Add the desired text. If you need to, adjust the text formatting. After that, select the text box. From the Shape Format menu, click on Text Effects and on Transform, choose the style you are going to add. You can use the corners of the text box to adjust the size and, if necessary, add more content. Again, from Text Effects, in Transform, from the Warp section, you can click on any of the options available there. You will see this change in the text in PowerPoint by rotating the words. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.